Okay, today we're going to talk about multiplying fractions. When we're multiplying, the first thing we want to do is to see if we can cross-reduce. We look at 1 and 4, can't make those any smaller, and 3 and 1 we cannot reduce. So, we're going to take the top number times the top, then take the bottom number times the bottom number. Or you can use numerator, denominator. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, also notice we have a negative number. We are multiplying. Signs the same, positive, signs different, negative. The signs are different, our answer will be negative. If we look at number 5, we look at 2 and 5, we cannot reduce those to make those any smaller. However, if we look at 9 and 3, those are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. If you reduce before you multiply, it makes it a lot easier at the end, so you do not have to reduce. If we look at number 9, we look at 3 and 5, we cannot divide those two numbers by anything except 1. If we look at 2 and 4, we can divide both those by 2. 2 goes into 2, 1, 4 2 times. Top times top, 3 times 1 is 3, bottom times bottom, 2 times 5 is 10. If we look at number 13, we have a whole number. What we need to do is make this a fraction first by putting it over 1. Then we look, 5 and 1 we can't divide by anything. 4 and 16 we can divide by 4. 4 goes into 4 once, 16 4 times. 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, at the end, we're going to change this back into a mixed number. How we can do this is take your top number divided by your bottom number. 5 divided by 4. 4 goes into 5 once. 1 times 4 is 4, having 1 left over. When we are like this, this is going to be your whole number, your top number, and the 4 will be your bottom number. So we would write this 1 and 1/4. Okay. When we get to a problem that is a mixed number, such as number 14, what we need to do first is change this to an improper fraction. So we're going to take 2 times 5 and get 10, plus 1 and get 11. So I'm going to rewrite this 11 over 2 times 2 over 11. If we look, we have 11 and 11. We can divide 11 by 11 and get 1. 11 divided by 11 and get 1. Our 2's divide by 2 and get 1. Divide by 2 and get 1. We get 1 over 1, or 1.